And I'm gonna ask you guys, you're gonna choose A or B. Who's got A? Appreciate you. Who's got B? We're gonna go through it and we're gonna play and we're gonna explain why it works. Here's letter A. Got it? Who is this for? This is the question we're going to run through and ask ourselves. Anyone that's really needing sheets, that's answering that question, right? We went through some value propositions. I hope you guys got those and wrote those down. Why are they going to click? I'm a pastel guy. I'm probably going to click. I enjoy that color. I identify with some of these basics. I don't want to clean my stuff anymore. I'm a male. What are they buying? These sweet sheets. And what if we did this?
You smell like sheet. Be like me and buy miracle sheets. They stay fresh longer and require 3 times less washing.
Same shit? A little different? A little better? I don't know. Who's going to buy it? People that hate laundry. That's very, very clear. Someone calling me out in the beginning, you smell like sheet? Clever, well played, very well played. And who's going to buy these awesome sheets, of course? Any guesses before I go? Who's got A? Appreciate you. Who's got B? Yeah, as we should, right? So let's look at it, right? Our attention span, when we did a correlation, when we started running to see if are people watching long enough for us to actually make a real decision around this, each account is going to have its own attention mark. So when we go through the rest of these, you're going to see, well, that's lower compared to the first one. Every account's different, so you have to pull per account. Watch time, blew it out of the water, and then we get the bottom metrics, which are CPA, cost per added cart, and a cost per purchase. Makes sense there. That was an easy one, I think. Here's another one. Ready?
This is the hoodie, the softest, the warmest, and the cuddliest wearable blanket. Perfect to keep you warm and snug on those chilly nights.
Better. Who's watching this? Millennials for sure. For sure. Maybe you're into blondes. Maybe you're making that click. Maybe you want the hoodie. Why are they going to buy? They're going to buy that pink cat hoodie for sure. Let's check this one out real quick. Little different, a little more UGC vibes going on this, a little more difficult. So now I think the market changed a little bit to me, honestly. Now the view is as a child unwrapping it. Am I a grandma? Am I thinking that Sally's gonna look fantastic in this and she's gonna really love this for Christmas? Potentially. The cuteness factor, there's value pops all the way through it. And what are they buying? Of course, the cat. A or B? A? B? Okay. B! A people! Oh my God. Anybody 2 for 2? Oh, participation is fantastic. You, my friend, you're a legend. Absolute legend. Okay, I got an even better one from you. This one's probably one of my favorite. This brand is fantastic. Coming at you. There's a lot of good stuff in this. You got people smiling, you got value propositions, you got this dude spraying it on his foot. I love it. City dwellers. People going outside. All these imagery we're going through, subconsciously we're trying to relate. Who's going to buy it? Well, value prop is right there. But I might have a little bit of doubt, and we see this in the engagement. They're going, there's no way that shoe's 100% waterproof. I wear them. I promise you, they are 100% waterproof. Very weird. Unless you put it inside the shoe, defeats the purpose. Let's try this one.
That was crazy.
That's so weird. In the winter, we're just bound to boot.
Oh.
Interesting. Yo, good stuff, guys. I love this.
Different, completely different vibe, but I know you're going to say, well, that's a story, Nick, versus a feed. Disregard that. Disregard that. This can still run the feed as long as we chop it from 9 by 16. Who's this for again? I think it's the same person. I think the wow factor and the UGC of talking to someone on the street is really easy for me to relate to. And maybe I needed that social proof. Maybe I needed to see that at the beginning before I started clicking all the way through. What are they going to buy? There's a lot of going through this. This could potentially be a downside or a positive, depending on where you're going to drop them out. Is it going collection page? Is it going PDP? It's on you. A. Ooh, not many. B. Wow, overwhelming decision. A. Oh my God. Who did it? Who got it wrong? Everybody got it wrong. Okay, let's go a little further down the funnel. Let's go into re-engage.